If your calendar is full but your bank account doesn't reflect it, you don't have a workload problem, you have a profit problem. And most business owners don't want to hear that because being busy feels productive. It feels like if you're doing something right. But busy doesn't pay you, profit does. And those are two completely different systems. I see this all the time. You're answering messages, jumping on calls, putting out fires, handling things that your team should be handling. And at the end of the week, you're exhausted, but nothing actually moved forward. Revenue didn't grow, profit didn't increase, you just stayed in motion. That's not a growth strategy. That's a treadmill. And the reason this happens is simple. You built your business around activity instead of outcomes. You're measuring how much did I do today instead of asking what actually made me more money. So those are not the same thing, because here's the truth most people avoid. There are only a handful of things in your business that actually create profit. Everything else is noise. Now let me give you an example. You can spend 3 hours answering emails, feels productive. Or you can spend 30 minutes fixing your pricing structures and make an extra $2,000 this month. One feels busy, one is profitable. But most people choose busy because it's easier to react than to think. And that's where the anti-hustle strategy comes in. This isn't about doing less for the sake of it. It's about doing less of what doesn't matter and doubling down on what does. So instead of asking, what should I do next? Start asking, what actually drives profit in my business? Now, usually it comes down to a few core levers: leads, conversion, pricing, retention. That's it. If what you're doing doesn't impact one of those, it's probably not worth your time. But most business owners are stuck in what I call operational addiction. You feel needed. You feel involved. You feel in control, but you made yourself the bottleneck. And here's the real cost of that. You can't scale. You can't step away, and your income is capped by your time. That's not a business. That's a job you built for yourself. So if you want to stop being busy and actually become profitable, you need to start replacing effort with systems. Not more hours, not more hustle, systems. Because systems are what turn inconsistent effort into predictable results. For example, instead of constantly chasing new leads, build a system that consistently brings them in. Instead of manually following up, build a system that does it automatically. Instead of guessing your pricing, build a system that protects your margins. And here's the shift that changes everything. You stop asking, what do I need to do today? And you start asking, what system is missing that keeps creating this problem? That's how real businesses grow. Not through effort, through structure. Because effort burns out, structure scales. And once you start thinking this way, something interesting happens. You actually do less, but you make more because you're finally focused on the right things. So if you're feeling stuck right now, if you're busy but your profit isn't moving, don't add more to your plate. That's the worst move you can make. Instead, pause for a second and ask yourself, what am I doing every day that isn't actually making me money? And then be honest enough to remove it. That's the work, not more hustle, better decisions. And if this hit a little too close to home, good. That means you're starting to see it. Save this. Come back to it and start looking at your business through the lens because once you stop chasing busy, profit gets a whole lot easier to find.